For any of us, the swimming pool at our backyard is playing a quintessential role in providing joyful moments to our summertime. This could be told by its growing market size. The most recent report indicates that the global swimming pool industry is set to grow by $3.56 billion and is progressing at a rate of over 2% during 2020 to 2024. However, since having a swimming pool is a big thing for everyone, its daily maintenance might be a bit of an itching issue for us to teeter-totter a lot. You tackle with things like clearing leaves and debris, finding ways to cut your pit bill and to add fewer chemicals to your pool. One day you get tired of all this and you just want to spend less time on pool maintenance. That's why people have been seeking ways in order to avoid those annoying issues. And getting a pool cover seems to be a hell of a good option. And yet, when you look at pictures like this, or this, it just never seemed to be an ideal plan at all. I mean, what's the point of having a swimming pool if you're covering it with a bad-looking sheet? It's inconvenience and it's unnecessary. That's when a pool enclosure comes into the stage. Well, first of all, it looks good. It's not eliminating any of the aesthetic aspects of the design of a pool. It even elaborates it with a more sophisticated appearance. Secondly, and most importantly, an enclosure is able to provide year-round versatility. Especially, it keeps your pool warm during the winter. Most pool enclosure products is equipped with polycarbonate sheets, which is the perfect material for trapping heat, therefore maintaining a warm environmental condition. Also, for family with little kids, the pool enclosure ensures safety. It's mildly dangerous for your kids to play outside alone when you have a pool installed in your backyard. The well-designed structure of the pool enclosure prevents your kids from running into the pool. Safety first, after all. So, let's cut it short. If you're someone who wants to save the trouble of maintaining a pool and at the meantime want to retain the luxury of the functionality of your pool, then having a pool enclosure is definitely a better choice than having a pool cover for the long run.